Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Dogelon Mars price prediction and Dogelon Mars news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogelon Mars in 2022. Dogelon Mars is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu. Dogelon Mars plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that Dogelon will experience a massive upward movement. Beyond its tongue-in-cheek name, Dogelon Mars has managed to build a significant community, with more than 300,000 Twitter followers and more than 84,000 followers on Telegram. Just like is the case for its more prominent and more established cousins, the founders of this particular dog coin are unknown. That is somewhat of a common occurrence for meme coins, and investors are well advised to do due diligence with little-known coins to avoid falling victim to malicious practices like rug pulls and exit scams. With that said, Elon has been on the market for several months, making the likelihood of the coin being a scam relatively small. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Dogelon Mars. Dogelon Mars has had its bark, but due positions in Elon still have a bite. Dogelon Mars is one of the many dog-themed meme coins in the market today. It has seen a lot of interest lately, with November memorably recording a spectacular surge in popularity and value. Since then, however, Elon's price has been in decline. At the time of writing, the altcoin had a market capitalization of just $474.2 million. Can bulls exert any influence on the price in the short term? Bitcoin's explosive rally past $40K sparked bullish momentum on shorter timeframes for many coins, and Elon was one of them. Dogelon Mars prices are multiplied by a factor of 100,000 to reduce decimal places and improve clarity. A set of Fibonacci retracement levels, yellow, were plotted based on Elon's move to object to all COVID-19 health restrictions, spawning similar protests throughout Canada. Ottawa police are attempting to rein in the convoy over concerns of their trucks blockading city streets and interfering with local businesses. Law enforcement also collaborated with crowdsourcing platform Dogelon to block $10 million in donations initially directed toward the convoy's organizers. That action struck a bad chord with some Canadian Bitcoiners opposed to both financial censorship and the COVID restrictions. Canadian truckers turned to Bitcoin in response to the Dogelon blockade. BTC Sessions, a crypto YouTuber from Calgary, started a fundraiser for the protest using the Bitcoin native crowdfunding platform Talacoin. Because Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer payment network, it makes it harder for governments to prevent users from sending money to certain causes. "Thank you truckers," said one anonymous donor of $87.99 in Bitcoin. "You have made me proud to be Canadian again." Existing Elon positions. A flip of $0. 0861 to support could be used to enter a long position, targeting $0.0937 and $0.099. The next news is SpaceX's Starlink could prove to be the ultimate Elon Musk-backed catalyst for $1 Doge. When Elon Musk is not running through the six with his woes, he is most likely on Twitter engaging his audience, which has in recent times been increasingly attentive to the billionaire's sentiments on crypto. Musk, who likes to keep his audience guessing before dropping major announcements, was at it again on Sunday, this time hinting on Starlink and SpaceX accepting Dogecoin at some point. The tweet came from one Jonah Kreider, a die-hard supporter of Elon Musk, for what she claims theirs is a personal relationship, since Musk helped me when I was homeless, and when he found out what I was going through, he encouraged me. Kreider tweeted on Sunday asking, "Is SpaceX merchandise store and Starlink, a satellite internet constellation operated by SpaceX, can accept Dogecoin?" In an almost instant response, Elon Musk replied with a winking face emoji, throwing the tweets into a frenzy. Following Musk's suggestive reply, various Twitter users including Dogecoin's co-founder Billy Markus took to persuading the billionaire into accepting Dogecoin for SpaceX merchandise. "I want to buy a model rocket with dog money," Markus wrote. "Word. I want to pay for a SpaceX tour with dog money," added Andrew Ballo, a top-rated film and music producer. More tweets continued to flow in, with others seeking Musk to extend Doge payments to Tesla's Cybertruck and its other fleet of e-cars. While this is huge news to his followers, this is not the first time Musk is throwing such hints. On several occasions, he has shared memes depicting his support for various cryptocurrencies, at one time even coming under fire from individuals who claim that he is manipulating the market. Last month, Tesla started accepting Doge payments for its merchandise, a month after Musk hinted on the plan. That said, although Musk is yet to shed more light on his tweet, his deep support for Dogecoin suggests that a decision to have Starlink and SpaceX start accepting the K9 coin might not be that tough after all. In the meantime, Dogecoin continues to trade in the 14 cents range after losing 80% of its value. For now, traders continue to hold their breath with hopes that the Doge father will drop the much-awaited bombshell, and hopefully reignite the prospects of Doge attaining the $1 mark. Dogelon Mars is currently worth $0.0000076 United States dollars at $421,924,430, making it 126 on the most valuable coin list. Is Dogelon Mars, Elon, a good investment? How much will Dogelon Mars cost in 2025, or how much will Dogelon Mars cost 10 years from now? The results of only observations for 2022, and this is what experts predict for this year. By 2022, Dogelon Mars, Elon, appears to have reached price levels similar to their all-time high. By 2022, we expect the average rate to be $0.0000092. If all goes smoothly, we predict that the Dogelon Mars market price could increase to $0.0000105 in 2022. But the next year will be more interesting for investment. In 2023, with higher consumption and partnership between important ranges, the price of Dogelon Mars will skyrocket. The maximum trading price will reach $0.0000158 in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we keep them. If all goes well, we expect an average price of $0.0000132, with an expected price of $0.0000158 for 2023. If you are planning to invest for the long term, here is the forecast for 2024. Elon is discovered by potential. As science and innovations are found, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investment in Dogelon Mars, the price could be higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.0000221. Elon is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.0000192, a low price of $0.0000186, and an expected price of $0.0000221. Course forecast 2025. Elon will be seen as the best option, and with the spread of the Dogelon community, Mars is finding new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Dogelon Mars price will be almost $0.0000271. The maximum bet we can get is $0.0000326. Dogelon Mars average price forecast for the end of 2025 could be around $0.0000278. A large price turnover is expected in the turnover observed in the cryptocurrency market. Dogelon Mars course prediction 2026 volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, forecasting and implementation at current prices is expected. Many cryptanalysts are at play in this regard. Price predictions are correct for recovery years. Cryptocurrency consumers still ban and restrict cryptocurrencies. Dogelon Mars could cross $0.0000464 if the market sees a good normal run in 2026. Elon rate prediction 2027. Dogelon Mars will increase the load on the network and interaction with people. Therefore, the settlement price for 2027 is bullish. According to analysts, Elon is expected to trigger a $0.0000709 rate hike by the end of 2027. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Dogelon Mars will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Elon will be between $0.0000600 and $0.0000617.